Welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles, everyone. Today we are taking the rancher out, and I found a few kind of new holes to play in while we were cleaning out the woods. If you watched last week's episode, you saw where we were cleaning out the woods and making these new paths for the kids. And while doing that, I found a few little holes I want to play in. I would definitely like to have 6x6. Still waiting on the bands because it's recorded the same day as the cleaning the woods out. I just did it like 10 minutes ago. I'm exhausted. I'm cut up from vines. But we are taking the rancher out and we're going to go find some mud. We're going to have a lot of fun. I've been tinkering with it a little bit. The float's stuck again because for some reason these rancher carbs, the float will not stop sticking. Anyways, I'm going to throw my GoPro on and we are going to go get in some mud because I know that's what y'all come here for. I hope the wind ain't blowing too hard right now. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in 1 second with the GoPro. Okay, guys, we are ready to go. Took me a little while. I couldn't find my carb overflow bolt. I use a bolt or a pin to put in it, and I take it out every time because this thing the carb overflows a lot. Anyways, I found some new holes, and I thought y'all would enjoy seeing us go through them. So we're gonna head on over there. I could push through the path and get there, but let's not do that today. I ain't feeling like that. I know I said I'd go in there. I know a lot of people wait for me to go in that canal, and I am going, guys. I just want to wait till I get to 6x6 so I can take both the Rancho and the 6x6 through there, because y'all did meet the 15 light quota, whatever you want to call it. So it will be coming. I'm just trying to get the other one right before I just take this one. And hey guys, go ahead, if you haven't already, leave a comment. Tell me what you think about these videos. Have you been liking all the mud videos? I know it's been a lot of the Rancho and not too much of the 6x6, but the 6x6 will hopefully be back probably maybe before this video. I might have already fixed it and put it up before this video. You never know. But I have like, right now I'm like 8 videos ahead. So it's really easy for me to just be like, hey, this ain't fixed. And then it'd be fixed because eight videos is 8 weeks, and that's 2 months. That's a lot of time. We're gonna get it straight. We're gonna have all the videos y'all can want. Where's my little hole go? Well, where could you be? There was one little one I found earlier. There it is right there. Okay, nobody's coming. There it is. Dang it. Go through this mud hole. Whew. That wasn't that bad. I thought it was going to be worse. Can I push it down? Come on. Look at that. Now that is what I call turning around. I need to do that more often. That one too bad. I really thought that'd be a little bit worse than that. We got to dig it out. When we dig it out, it get worse and worse, and then it'd be hard to get through. But right now, nobody's been through it. I mean, you take a little baby full of like little minis. Well, let's push back out here. Ah! Hello. Thank you. Thank you. And guys, that is why I keep a floppy snorkel, so I can just push through there. Deeper than it looks. Guys, I think I need some bigger tires. Come on, you got it. I got faith in you, baby. You can get it. idea why that got so squishy so fast. Stock Rancho, the 6x6 will probably make it through no trouble, but hey, every time I go through it, it gets deeper. So I started taking the 6x6 through it to get deeper until it can't make it. Then we take the Wolverine, it won't, sooner or later it won't make it. And before you know it, nobody will make it. Because down here, the swamp, there is no bottom. How deep is this? What in the world happened? Whoa! Look, y'all have seen this hole 1,000 times. You know dang well it's not gonna be that. This hole has gotten deep. All that rain really did hold some good. Come on, baby. We got this. Come on, come on, come on. We can make it. There's water this time. Come on, come on, come on. Woo! See what I'm saying, guys? A little bit of water, you can float these right out of there. Well, when there's no water, you can't get up that rut. Ah! Let's get back through. We can make it up there. I don't think so. Come on. No. No, we can't make that. Can't blame me for trying. See if we can make this up one more time. Come on. Keep the weight on front. Come on. Come on. Oh, I could only make it. Come on, I know I can make it more than once. Okay, everything's in the water. Well, guys, I guess my snorkel is tight this time. Come on, come on, come on. Woo! We're just bouncing over these dang roots. That was fun. How did I somehow got water in my boot? I don't even know how that's possible. I did it though. Hey, look, a little bit of water. Holy crap! I'm gonna try it again just for y'all. But if I'm gonna get stuck and have to walk all the way home, I think it's gonna be one of those situations where I walk home, the wife's gone. Come on, come on. Woo! Now that, my friends, was just a little bit, that's a little bit sketchy. Go. I don't know why, but the foiler feels like it's leaning to one side. Oh, it's because I filled these tires up and didn't fill that one all the way out. Uh-oh. Would explain it. Anybody who didn't watch my nude path video that I made last week, I'll show you. See, I cleaned all this up. I didn't do, a lot of people are gonna be like, that ain't that clean. Well, you know, I just made it so you can drive through it. Oh crap. Ah! Oh, that got me in the face, that hurt. I went that way and then I realized I can go this way. I had to push, all this was just like this over here, guys, like super thick, and I literally just pushed through it all the way. And now right up here you can see it was kind of I brushed this a little bit. This was already clear. Then I pushed through here, clearing these branches up right here and here, and voila. This used to be an old mud hole when we were kids, and now I'm making it for our kids, or my kids and my brother's kids, so they can come back here and have just as much fun as we did. You can see this place is just wide open over here. I really need to bring some shovels back here and just start digging holes. This is just kind of the new path that I made for the kids. I hope they enjoy it. And then they turn around and go back in. And then you got my way out. I hope they don't go through there like I do. They'd be upside down with those little baby four-wheelers. I know y'all want to see us in this ditch really bad. I want to see us in the ditch, but I want to get 6x6 so we can take everything in that once. That way it's a nice long video. Had the 6x6, had the Rancher here. I would say the Scrambler, but hoping it'll be sold by then. Anybody wants a Scrambler, let me know. I still got it for sale. I've had a lot of good offers, but none what I'm looking for, because as y'all seen, that thing's super clean, and I just think it's worth a little more. Plus it's after Christmas, so I know a lot of people ain't really got a lot of money. So hopefully before long, somebody will snatch that thing up. And then I've been talking to my wife, and hopefully in the next couple months, well, yeah, next couple months, we'll have a new four-wheeler, like a brand new one. I've been talking to my wife. She says that whenever we pay all the bills that we have right now off, she'll let me go ahead and get a brand new four-wheeler, and I cannot wait. I ain't decided what I'm getting, but leave a comment below what you think I should get. I'm probably not gonna get a Honda, guys. Nothing against the Honda. I have a lot of Hondas. I'm still probably gonna keep most of these, this one and the other one. But when it's all said and done, I don't know. I can't see paying what they want for the 520 and no more power than it has for the price. If it was, you know, cheaper, a lot, like $2,000-$3,000 cheaper, I might consider it, but it's just way too much. So leave a comment below and let me know what you think we should get next. I don't know why the steering on this feels so stiff. Anybody have any ideas, leave a comment, let me know. It just feels super stiff. I don't know what it is. I might need to clean up and look under there.
Eventually.
I decided I'm coming back through here because it needs to be dug out a little more. Oh crap, too much. Ah! Let's dig it out a little bit. It actually worked a little bit. I got a little hole going. Whoa, that's deeper than I thought it was. I'm coming, baby. Come on, let's go. She's like, I don't like being up on my back. Let's dig it out a little more. Oh, whoa. It's actually getting a lot deeper as I go through it. It's starting to get the floorboards now. And that, my friends, is how you make new holes. Can we knock this down? Yep, go down. Oh, well, that's fun. You know, I'm probably making a mistake. Last time I tried this, I got stuck. Oh wow, it worked. Last time I did that, I messed up and got jammed in there and could not get out. Had to get somebody to pull me out. little trees keep whacking me in the chest. I'm sick of getting hit, trees. You're so mean to me. Okay, let's go home. Oh, why is it getting so deep? I'm supposed to be recording videos for YouTube, but instead I'm just out here riding around with my nephew. You gotta love kids, they crack me up. He's like, hey, come ride with me. So I'm just out here riding around with him. And he's having a blast, I'm having a blast. Oh, here comes the little one. He's coming for us. He wants a ride. Oh, here he comes, here he comes. Wait, what's his pants at? Oh no! We go ride with Jonah. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's hours later. I've been riding around and hanging out with the nephews today and helping them around the yard. Well, we had fun with the rancher. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm not gonna have a long outro. I have some places I gotta go. Well, anyways guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. Tell me what you want to see, and I will see y'all in the next one.